You have just you have just listened to our official report. Our rating is that the preparations of COMELEC are now in the danger zone. It's 110 days away from the May 10 election, and that's a very short time. They should already disengage from delays. They should disengage from shortcutting the requirements, the activities, and by this time they should already come out with their alternative strategy. Especially because of the anticipation that the full automated election system will not work on May 10. Many people have already erased anxieties, alarm bells have already been rung, and the COMELEC should heed the people's concerns. We represent the people, we represent citizens groups, and we'd like the COMELEC to listen, finally listen, not only from us but also from members of Congress and other people.
How much time do you think is left before it is too late?
Well, the COMELEC themselves said that if they admit now that the full automation system will not work, they said that if it will not work, they can still go back to manual system. But I think it's not for AES-Watch to propose. We are just submitting our assessment to the people. We're submitting our findings with regard to the appraisal, and it's now up for the COMELEC to come up with its contingency plan. If that means going back to manual system, then so be it. At least we are used to that. And then if there is a continuity for the automated election, let's start with the right foot. Let's start with the right foot. They should look into the lessons, experiences of other countries who found this system filled with, replete with vulnerabilities and weaknesses. And some of them are continuing, some of them have withdrawn. But the COMELEC should have begun with adopting the lessons and experiences of other countries, to go slow, to subject the system to rigorous tests first. You know that in computer science, you know that in management. You should test first before you subject the people to a system that is new to them, that has not been tested in the first place.